Hello everyone, now welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about information right management or in other of IRM. Okay, what is the purpose or what exactly IRM does? Okay, so first of all, let's understand what is IRM. So IRM is basically a settings which can be applied to Office files, and this will basically block the certain things after the file is downloaded. Like it will not allow the user to print, it will not allow the user to copy, or it will not allow the user to edit, or else you can also set up that after certain period of time, the file should expire, or the user who has downloaded the content should verify the credentials once again. Okay, so these all are things can be done through IRM, right? And we'll see how to enable IRM. So first of all, these first Microsoft Preview Compliance Portal and enable right management under information protection. So this first step is already deprecated, not deprecated. The Microsoft has started enabling it by themselves. So previously, like before 2018, so we used to enable this right management from Microsoft 365 portal itself, but right now Microsoft is enabling this particular setting from themselves. Okay, then we need to go to SharePoint Admin Center, the classic one, and we need to enable this IRM. And once this is enabled, okay, then we need to navigate to libraries and enable this particular setting. So we'll look this into much details. Okay, so these are the applying steps, these are the prawns, or these are the limitations of IRM. Okay, I will share this PPT in the description section. You can download it from there. Okay, let's look this into practical. So let's navigate to Microsoft 365 portal, and let me show you the first step I was talking about. Okay, this one. Okay, let me quickly show you that how we can enable it. So I'll go to Microsoft 365 portal. Okay, so this you can see it's already showing up Microsoft Azure Information Protection Plan. So before 2018, we used to click on this option. Then there used to be settings open up to enable this particular feature. But right now it's deprecated. Like I said, Microsoft is enabling by themselves, and I can show you because it's already enabled on my tenant. So let's navigate to second step, which is going to SharePoint Admin Center. I went to SharePoint Admin Center, and that IRM setting is only available in Classic Center. Okay. So in order to navigate to Classic Settings, we need to go to Settings and then click on Classic Settings page. Okay. I will select this Classic Setting page. It will open up all the settings for SharePoint Admin Center. Okay, the classic ones, not the modern one, the classic ones only. Okay, let's wait for this page to load up, and it's load up now. I will scroll down. You can see that information right management is there, IRM. So right now it is already enabled for me, but it's like this. It is like this. Do not reuse IRM for this tenant. When it is not enabled on your tenant and you enable it for the first time. So you select this, okay, and just click on refresh IRM settings once, okay, and just save the changes. Click on OK. The changes will be saved, and within some time, like it will take around 4 to 6 hours to implement these changes in the whole tenant. And once you implement this, so settings will start appearing in document libraries for all SharePoint sites. So for demo purposes, I have this site open, this test demo. Okay, this demo site is opened up. So this is one of the document library I have. It's shared document. Okay, shared document library, which is the default one. And under settings, I have this option, information right management. And I will click on this information right management. Okay, and this setting will open up. All right, and please remember, guys, this IRM only works for office files like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PPT. Okay, these type of files only. Rest it will not work. So I will also share that where it works and what are the file types where it does not work. Okay, so I will just give one name to it, then underscore test. Okay, and we need to give the description as well. So I will just copy. Okay, I will also remove this. And user does not upload anything which does not support IRM. Okay, I just want that they upload only Office files. So I will select this one only. Okay, and if I want that the access should be should not work after this particular time, so I can just select this. Okay, so after this particular date, the user will lose access to this particular document library. Okay, so you can try this at your place and uh, drop me in comment box that what happens at your end. Okay. And the third setting is prevent opening document in the browser. So what I want that the document should be open up in the application only, okay, not in the browser. So I can select this one, right? So what I want additional setting can be configured. Like if you want allow user to print this document, you can select this, or you can also select this allow user to run script and screen reader to function on downloaded documents. If you want that the person should be able to run any sort of add-in or custom script to the downloaded document, so you can select it. Otherwise you can just unselect it. Okay, allow viewer to write on a copy of the downloaded document. If you want that users can create a copy of the downloaded document and make changes to that, you can also do that. However, I would recommend to not touch any of this particular setting, these three ones, only this one. Like after download, the document access right will expire after these number of days. If you want that once the document is downloaded, the user should lose access. So you can just select it any number between the 1 to 365. So I will just select it to after 2 days of downloading the content, the access should expire. Okay. Also, if you want that the user who has downloaded the content, he or she should verify the credentials once again after 2 days, or any number you can set. So the default one is 30, but you can set it up according to you, like 3, 4, 5, or whatever number you want to set. Okay, and if you want that the document, okay, can only be accessed by a particular group, so you can add the group name here. You can add security group or an Office 365 group here. Okay, so let me show you quickly. If I want to add a particular group, how I can do that. I can just go to active groups. Okay, so I want that this IRM, every user under IRM should be able to make changes to the content, or the setting should be applied only to those groups. So I can just select this IRM, select this IRM members, and once I'm done, just select OK. Okay, so right now I just want these. I mean, these all settings you can do from your end, and for just for demo purposes, I'm selecting this one. Okay, the first one and the third one. I cannot show you after 2 days. So I will just unselect this. So I will just go for these two settings. Okay. I will hit on OK. And this should start working or implementing on the immediate basis. Okay. Let's look into the document library and let's see if it is still working or not. Okay. I'll just try this. All right. So the first setting was do not allow upload content which text file does not support IRM. So I'll just go to downloads or select any text file. I can just create a new one as well. I go to desktop. Okay. create a new text file. This one, okay. Test.txt, open it, put some random document, save. It's saved now. Okay. I will just upload it. Okay, let me refresh it once so that the settings which I have done can be replicated or can be implemented in this library. I will go stop, select this text. Okay, open. Now let's see if it works or not. Okay, now you can see that this library does not accept files of the given type. You must either upload a new document, unprotected file that support right management, or re-upload a document that was previously downloaded from this library. So, like I said, it will not allow user to upload document that does not support IRM, and text file it will not work. Okay, so and there is one more thing I have set it on. The IRM. Let me show you once again. What was that setting? Library settings, more library settings, IRM. Not allow user to upload document, don't support IRM. Text file we have already done and it did not support it. Okay. Now the second option is prevent opening document. You can see that it is saying that it is allowing, it is just asking my permission to open this document in the application. I click on open, I click on open in browser. So it will not open up in the browser. Okay. You see, it opened up the same tab again, but it did not open the file. And even if I try to open the file in application, so it will first configure the application to IRM, okay, so that this file can be opened up. So let me show you quickly. The file is getting opened up and it says starting Microsoft Word, okay, contacting the server for information. And it will also say that configuring the file for IRM. Okay, let's just wait and let's see. You see, you can't edit encrypted file at the same time in this app. You may be able to edit in the browser using Office for the web, when in any way. Okay, let's see. So you can see, did you saw the pop-up? There was a pop-up which says, opening the, configuring the IRM. So I would, this is how you can configure the IRM. And if you want to completely block the download of the content, so we'll cover that in the next video. Okay, and I will also say some other ways by which you can completely block the download if you want to, through conditional access or through custom permissions or other ways as well. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. And that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts, so leave your doubts in the comment box and I'm happy to answer them. And happy learning. See you in the next video. Bye.